It's not a lot of places where you're not the only international. The culture, the friendliness, that can really be my complete self here. No matter where you're coming from, you feel welcome, you feel integrated.
My name is Jesper, and I work as a cloud developer here at Umbraco. I love getting to work every day, start up my computer, and then just start coding, because coding means solving problems. But the very best part is when you're done and you can say, this was a problem for someone, and now we solved it. Umbraco is at its core sharing code. We want people to contribute to the CMS code, but we also want to contribute back. So that means that whatever I do somehow affects somebody else, and I'm pretty sure that it affects somebody else in a positive way.
My name is Julia. I come from Poland. I'm a front-end developer in Umbraco. I come to the office 2 days a week, and then 3 days I work at home. We have one team that is based all around the world, in Italy, in Romania, Netherlands, and one person in Australia. I think that's the most remote team we have. I quickly discovered that all people in the community are absolutely fantastic. So you not only get your wonderful colleagues, but you also get the community. I think this is absolutely unique, and you don't get that in any other company.
My name is Steffi, I'm from Belgium. I'm the creator of experiences, also known as the lead of the events team at Umbraco. I have 2 kids, they're twins, they are 2.5 years old. So you can imagine work-life balance is a really important thing. So that's work from home or work from anywhere policy. That's really nice, and that's a flexibility that you don't get everywhere. It feels like a work family. Code Garden is really our flagship event where we bring the developer community together.
Stuff just happens at Code Garden, and it's hard to describe.
It's the highlight of the year, definitely. What really makes this company great, it's not only the CMS, it's the people who are here and the people in community.
Really been learning a lot, and it means a lot to me that what I do is being used out there.
Umbraco really focuses on their employees and their personal growth. You could start in one position, develop into another position. They listen to you, what your passions are, what your needs are.
For me, the most important thing is to be able to grow as a person and as a developer, of course, and that's definitely possible here.